So much fun, Christmas time. Hi everyone, welcome back. So this video is going to be really short, but I've been asked this question so many times and I've been told that I'm a good gift giver, I guess. This video is all about how to be a good gift giver. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So number one, the most basic out of all things near Christmas time, ask that significant other or family member or friend or whatever what they want for Christmas. I know that sounds very ridiculous, but like, ask them what they want. Everyone's going to lie that they don't want anything for Christmas, but that's a bullshit lie. What they actually mean is they don't know what they want you to buy them for Christmas. Because they don't understand, so they kind of feel bad if they're asking for gifts from you, because Christmas is about giving, not receiving, so people forget about the receiving part, that just because you're giving me or giving them gifts doesn't mean that they're not going to get you gifts, so they forget about themselves. And now for number two. Number two, get them what they ask for. Basic. Basic. Number two is like the easiest part. Like, oh, they asked for something for Christmas? Cool. Get them that. Unless like what they asked for is fucking stupid and like it's a lot of money and you are like, yo, I'm poor. I get it. If it's not that big of a deal, if it's like, yo, I want a like $30 gift card from Sephora, get them a $30 gift card from Sephora. Like, what the fuck? Like, why trouble yourself to go out Christmas shopping, go and find something that means something to you that you think will mean something to them when you can just get them the $30 Sephora gift card and then, I don't know, go on your fucking merry way, and when they open it, they're like, this is what I wanted. Thank you so much. Now I can buy that like eyeshadow palette I wanted, you know? Number three. These are for all you people who don't understand what just buying the gift they asked for means. Okay, understandable. This option's for you. You do the first two options where you ask them what they want for Christmas, get them what they want for Christmas, and then the surprise part, if you're the type of people who don't understand Christmas and want a surprise, number three is that you get them a gay gift on the side of the thing that you already bought them. So you get them the gift they wanted and a gift you think they might want. Hey, I want a scarf for Christmas. Oh, okay, I'll get you that scarf. But also, on the side, as a surprise, I also got you the matching hat. Surprise! Merry Christmas! And get them something that they might like, might need, or something that they can throw away and never remember that you bought them the shittiest gift known to man. Don't give a shit, because all they'll remember is that you bought them the gift that they asked for, and that second gay gift, they won't even remember who got it for them. Number three, for people on the other end not giving gifts, if you know that that person's probably not going to give you a gift that you asked for because every year you tell them what you want and they get you something different, ask for something that's cheap, not too cheap, but something that you're willing to buy yourself. Like, I don't know, like a Pandora charm that you were gonna buy yourself. That would be kind of cute if they gave it to you, but if they don't give it to you, it's not a huge heartbreak because you already have the money saved up to buy it yourself. That's for the people on the opposite end, for people for number three. So option number four is that you have to ask them, for number one, what the price range is. Number one, you ask them what they want for Christmas. If they say nothing, go straight to option three and get them a shitty gay gift. Number one, if you actually ask them what they want for Christmas and they actually tell you, you go to option two, get them what they want. Number three, you get them a gay gift. But number four, it all goes back to number one, asking the price range. So if it's $30 and lower, then you can probably get them a gay gift. But if it's $30 and above, you know you could probably like step back a bit depending on who you're getting it for. So number five, the easiest gift you could give anybody, gift card. People love money near Christmas time. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, this is the basics of how to be a good gift giver. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please just comment in the comment box down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and have yourself a very Merry Christmas.